God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
This is bull. I 100% locked myself out. All my keys are locked in my lunchbox. My phone is up there. Luckily, I anticipate myself, and I keep an extra key on the truck. So I guess I've got about a 40-minute round trip home to get another key. And yes, I know what you're thinking. I usually keep a spare key in my truck, but the last time I had to use the spare key to my machine, I put it in my lunchbox, which is currently locked in the machine. Whatever. I was hoping to be going by 9 o'clock this morning. It is now 9:55. Less than desirable. This is gonna be a wet, slippery day. It's about 50 degrees, raining. Good times. In the last episode, we cleared all this up here. Now we're creating a trail down through the woods. I'm just gonna go ahead and widen this out real quick. Turn on continuous flow. You can tell I've already been down through here once, but after you drive down a spot once, you'll see the spots that you really need to widen out a little bit more. I'm gonna work my way down to where we left off yesterday, and I'll check back in. Isn't that a beautiful scene in the mountains? This is where we came through. It's starting out as stuff like this. You can't even see through it. We came down through there to where we're at right now. I really widened this spot out simply because I need a place I can turn around. That's pretty much all there is to it. However, once we dive off this hillside, there's no returning. Not today anyway. It is really wet, and the camera never shows it, but it's really, really steep. Will not walk under that. Forestry mulching can be a lot of fun to do, but very, very challenging to film and make it fun to watch. But I'm gonna do the best I can. We gotta dive straight down through there. Once we get down this trail, there's a big open old, what looks like maybe a logging road that's gonna make a lot more fun viewing. We'll do more filming of that. I promise. Oh, God. Thought that gopher set an ambush for me. He's always out to get me. It's a wonder he hadn't done me in yet. Days for the weatherman to be right. It's raining. Watch me go. It's okay. I've only got like a half-mile trot to the machine. Unfortunately, my closing video from yesterday was in time lapse. I'm sorry, but you guys saw the time lapse, you saw what happened. Moving forward to today, I'm getting the excavator warmed up. We're gonna be running the Fecon head some more. We're on a lower trail now, which is about 8-9 feet wide in places. And what the customer wants us to do is to widen it about another foot. In order to do that and make life easy on ourselves and quicker with the grading, I'm going down through here and we're mulching the laurels back on each side. I'm going to be using an attachment that we're picking up for the skid steer that you guys haven't seen on the channel yet, but I'm pretty excited to use it to cut this trail a little bit wider. And fast forward, we've widened the trail out, mulching back on each side just a little bit. The customer doesn't want a highway through here. They just want it to be opened up and a little bit wider of a trail, which we're going to be able to give them. You know, rain is basically billions and billions of water droplets. True story. That gopher's behind this. Now I'm gonna get him. All right. We made it. Go. Pretty tight squeeze back through there. Let's back this truck up. I'll have to take care of my mechanics. Always like to put my machinery in an easy spot for the mechanics to get to. As easy as possible, that is. Take that big pine tree down. I can get back up here. I just had the thought that if this thing's down for a few days, it's gonna be raining. I should put that head in the truck and take it home. That way I can do some maintenance on it. That's what I'll do. I've successfully waterproofed myself. Let's go ahead and drop this thing off. After we drop this mulching head in the truck, we'll ride up, since it's raining so hard, and see how my road that I've been building over on Digging Life 21, which is also over here where I've been mulching at, let you guys see how that last pipe I installed is functioning. Please hold. Hopefully those controls don't start really acting up while I'm trying to do this. That wouldn't be good, would it? I didn't think about that, really. It's raining hard. It'll take me just a couple of minutes for the rain to fill those tracks up. That's on there. I would flip my coffee over climbing in here, wouldn't I? Alright. Let's go up here and look at the road. Now I'm fully expecting to see some puddling around the beginning of this road because I haven't got all the road bond hauled in there that I have planned, and by raising that road bed and shaping it, that's going to be what takes the puddling away and funnels all the water in an efficient way out the pipe or into the pipe, in which case it would come out of the pipe. It's always super exciting for me to pull up to a project that I'm working and see if it's working. Always exciting. Okay, let me get waterproofed here. Let's see. How exciting. Oh, God. That's a little soft. All right, right there's the pedalage I was expecting. Ooh, look at that flow. Oh, God. Soft shoulder. Did I mention it's been raining? Oh, watch out. I shouldn't be down here, but I'm far too excited to see the fruits of our labor. Look at that. Hot dog. Woohoo! We have flow. May want to do something right through here, but actually there's so much of this root matting, I think it'll be okay. I don't see any major erosion other than where I just stepped. I love this. Love it. That is so awesome. Now, the next step, obviously I've spoke with the customer. This whole road is pretty soft still. The frost has come all the way out. I'm happy. It needs to go through a complete, what I call a dry cycle, whereas the frost comes out and it completely dries out without freezing. That's when it's gonna be a solid road. At which point we're gonna bring in around 300 tons of road bond. I'll be able to shape all of this to a crown that's gonna push this puddle over, and there'll just be a small little run of water that goes in this end of this pipe. It's already trickling. That's really going. Let's go up here and see what's flowing into this pipe. Why not? You guys got time, don't you? I figure I might as well show you guys kind of what's going on the main channel, Digging Life 21. See if I can do this without sinking too deep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. We'll just chalk this up to bonus footage. I love watching drainage work. It's like the best thing ever. All right, on to the next project. And the top commenter for this video is a Nomad Alaska. Thank you, brother, for commenting on almost every video, I believe, on both channels. I really do appreciate it. Keep them coming.